The radar blinks. Red dots streak across the screen. At 2 a.m., the Combat Information Center aboard a U.S. Navy frigate hums with controlled chaos. Every second counts. Iranian Shahed drones, fast and elusive, slice through the darkness over the Strait of Hormuz. From the desert air base in the UAE, ground crews never stop. Refueling hoses hiss, rockets are slotted into pods, ammunition belts loaded, Hellfire missiles snapped onto the stub wings of AH-64 Apaches. Every move precise, every second measured. This is not routine. This is war in motion. Engines roar. The first Apaches lift off, skimming low over the sand, shadows moving over the Gulf. Their mission? Intercept, destroy, and dominate. From the flight decks of U.S. Navy vessels, helicopters spin up their rotors, climbing into the night, ready to answer the alarms. Radar operators classify targets. Hostile, immediate response. Pilots already airborne pivot toward the incoming drones. Those still on the deck spin turbines, lift off, and join the intercept corridor. Seconds become minutes, and every drone in the sky becomes a ticking target. Overhead, the desert sky is alive with sound and motion. The Apaches engage. 30mm chain guns roar, shredding metal and electronics mid-air. Hydra 70 rockets streak toward targets, exploding in fiery bursts. Laser-guided Hellfires track, lock, and obliterate. Each kill confirmed on a live feed back to the command center. The cycle is relentless. Some helicopters return to the ship to reload, others head back to the UAE airbase. On the ground, mechanics swing into action. Pods reloaded, Hellfires mounted, chain guns replenished, avionics double-checked. Within minutes, the helicopter is battle-ready again. No downtime tolerated. Across the tarmac, a C-17 lands with another Apache. Crates are rolled out, rotor blades, tail assemblies, stub wings, and stacks of precision munitions. Soldiers move in synchrony, carefully handling each component. The airframe is guided off the ramp, hooked to a tow vehicle, and rolled into the assembly zone. Mechanics attach the rotors, reconnect hydraulics, calibrate sensors, test electrical systems, mount rockets, and lock the Hellfires. The Apache awakens from its sleep, ready to hunt. Every step synchronized, every action calculated. The desert hums with efficiency, the orchestration of overwhelming force. On the water, the radar lights up again. Another wave of drones approaches. The Apache on deck spins its rotors, lifts, and rockets toward the enemy. Sensors lock. The gunner pulls the trigger. Explosions bloom across the Gulf, fire dancing in the moonlight. Drones are shredded before they can strike Allied vessels or tankers. Feedback loops between the helicopters, ships, and command centers ensure every threat is neutralized. Each kill verified. Each drone downed is logged, communicated, and analyzed. Precision, speed, and lethality. This is the U.S. military operating at the apex of modern warfare. The patrol continues, constant as a heartbeat. The night is a cycle of vigilance and destruction. Apaches circle, rotate, and strike. Ships and air bases sustain the tempo. Iranian drones may come, but the strike, the hunt, and the relentless counterattack leave no room for error. By dawn, the Gulf is quiet. Patrolling helicopters hover over the water, engines cutting through the cool morning air. Command consoles confirm, all threats neutralized. The message is clear. Any attack will be met with precision, speed, and overwhelming force. In the war of drones versus Apaches, the rules are set. The United States does not just respond, it dominates, and the Strait of Hormuz remains secure, for now, under the constant watch of the most advanced rotary wing hunters on the planet.